I have Moen top faucet and it is keep dripping water. I turned off water valve before working on the faucet. Using Phillips screwdriver to remove screw, I have two options, either install a new faucet or change cartridge for this faucet. In this video, I am only replacing the cartridge. Pull out this metal piece. Pull out this clip. If it doesn't come out easily, use a screwdriver or a nose plier. Sometimes cartridges easily come out. I am pulling out with the plier. If it works, okay, otherwise I have to use a special tool. I was not able to pull out with plier. I am using cartridge extractor. Follow the same step with this tool as I am showing. These two sharp ended will go on the side of the cartridge. While tightening this tool, these two ends will hold the cartridge to move right or left. Now hold tool with adjustable wrench and start to move the handle on the left side. Handle will start to become tighter and cartridge will slowly start to come out. Cartridge is little loose. Now I will use the hand force to pull it out. After removing cartridge, make sure if there is any part left over, take it out as well. I already wiped leftover water drops with a tissue paper. Now using sandpaper to smooth this area. I am using Danko replacement cartridge, but I will highly recommend to buy Moen. This will also work fine, but for more peace of mind, go for the Moen. Danko was available in the Low store, so that's the reason I bought Danko. All the kits come with the silicone, so take out little bit silicone and put on the cartridge. Amazon link is available in description for Moen and Danko cartridge. Put some silicone gel inside as well. Now slide the cartridge in and secure it with the clip. You can choose the old clip if the new one does not come in a kit. Now tap the clip from the top so it go inside. If the clip does not go inside, make it little wider. I am putting knob to test the water. If water runs fine, then I will put the screw. If this video helped you, give a like to the video. Thanks for watching.